The majority of these children gained fresh admissions after schools were reopened. Parents are concerned about how their wards can cope amid a pandemic.
Any problem be as a don't cry baba was a quarantine with mobile school. But the woman hamaka cancer teacher for no super boy. Some Lobiano, Musoba, yes, some crown who buy some crown so you and Musoba boy and no my my yeah, so by so small crown doors about where ban I am so. The only say, Kabama, Obama, no smiles, no sanitizer. Some crying by social distance, by general school.
Although the government's aid in terms of personal protective equipment is yet to reach school children, the authorities are reaching out to schools with limited procured PPE. Officials are making frantic efforts to get parents to enroll their children without the fear of the virus.
What we have been discussing with them, right, when we meet them, is they should not be apprehensive of their children getting COVID, because all the necessary contingencies, the COVID protocols are in place, right? So they should not be apprehensive of that, and that they should send their children back to school.
Schools within the municipality have also taken delivery of furniture provided by the government through the assembly to address the deficits.
I personally am a teacher. I know every school in the district or in the municipal. One of the challenges in the municipal is lack of furniture. So last 2 years ago, we made 900 borders and distributed among the schools.